Hello to all of my GEMS family. How are you doing? Here in St. Petersburg, Florida, taking you on another episode of Things to Do in St. Petersburg, Florida. We're currently driving to the location of Albert Whitted Park. But in the meantime, enjoy the drive there and make sure you have liked, subscribed, and turn on your notification for this channel so that you will not miss another episode. Here at Albert Whitted Park, and I'm going to show you the view. It's so beautiful down here. The park is named after James Albert Whitted, who introduced the opportunity of flying to the city of St. Petersburg, which is a local airport next to the park. And it is named after him, and it has picnic areas, shelters, and walkways to enjoy your afternoon, your day, and just enjoy the vibes. Hey everybody, I am here at Albert Whitted Park in St. Petersburg, Florida, and as you can see behind me, the view is beautiful. Come and take a look closer with me. As you can see, it is so beautiful. A wonderful place to take pictures and videos and make time with yourself, your family, and just take in the beautiful scenery of the city of St. Petersburg, Florida. In the far right corner, you can see the pier, St. Petersburg, in the background. And as you can see right here, a wonderful area for children to enjoy themselves and adults as well. There is also this beautiful area with picnic tables for you to have your barbecue or your little meals and picnics. So come over here, enjoy yourself, and enjoy the vibes. ahead, we are approaching the Dolly Museum, which I will take you to on another episode of Things to Do in St. Petersburg, Florida. So come, let's take a drive through this area and see the other side of beauty in this area of downtown St. Petersburg, Florida. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of Things to Do in St. Petersburg, Florida. I will see you on the next one.